The European Medicines Agency, or EMA, has announced important updates to the Electronic Common Technical Document System known as eCTD. These updates include a new version of the eCTD M1 Specification, version 3.1, and validation criteria, version 8.0. The EMA released these updates to improve how companies submit drug applications electronically. This essay will explain these changes and why they're important. The eCTD system is how companies submit applications for new drugs and drug approvals in the European Union. It's like a digital format that everyone must follow. The eCTD M1 specification tells you how to organize your application. The validation criteria are the rules your application must follow to be accepted. These updates are important because they help to ensure that applications are complete and meet the required standards. This, in turn, helps to ensure that new medicines can be made available to patients in a timely and efficient manner. Drug approvals are a critical part of healthcare. New drugs must be safe and effective. Before a drug can be sold in the EU, a company must submit a detailed application to the EMA. This application contains a lot of information about the drug. This includes its safety, effectiveness, and how it is made. The eCTD system makes this process smoother. It allows companies to submit applications electronically, which is faster and more efficient. The new updates to the eCTD system are important because they help to ensure that the system continues to meet the needs of both regulators and industry. By making these updates, the EMA is making it easier for companies to submit applications. This, in turn, helps to ensure that new medicines can be made available to patients more quickly. The eCTD M1 Specification version 3.1 introduces several key changes. One change is the acceptance of new file formats. For example, the new specification allows for the use of PDF A3. This format helps with long-term archiving of documents. Another change is the updated guidance on electronic signatures. The new specification provides more detailed information on how electronic signatures should be used in eCTD submissions. This is important because electronic signatures help to ensure that documents are authentic and have not been tampered with. Finally, the new specification also provides guidance on handling empty sections in submissions. This is important because it helps to ensure that submissions are complete and consistent. The validation criteria, version 8.0, introduces a number of updates to the rules that eCTD submissions must follow. These updates are designed to improve the quality and consistency of submissions, which can help to speed up the review process. One of the key changes in version 8.0 is the introduction of new checks for electronic signatures. These checks help to ensure that signatures are valid and meet the required standards. The new version also includes updates to the checks for file formats and metadata. These updates help to ensure that submissions can be properly processed and archived. The EMA encourages companies to start using the new eCTD specifications and validation criteria as soon as possible. By doing so, companies can help to ensure that their submissions are compliant with the latest requirements. They can also benefit from the improvements that these updates bring to the eCTD process. Please like, share and subscribe Pharma AI Knowledge YouTube channel.